Hello, I'm Dr. Charles Foster with Fostering Wellness. I'm applying to be your chiropractic health coach. Let me tell you what I mean by that. It is basically behaviors that are making us sick. You go to the hospital, you'll notice that it's the way people have been eating, the way they've been drinking, the way they've been not getting enough rest, the way they're burning the candle at both ends. All these different things are what are putting people into the hospital, and eating is a big one. But there's another one that's also big. People are neglecting their spine and their nervous system. I do want to be your health coach. I do want you to come in and let me show you how taking care of your spine and improving your posture, improving your muscle function can benefit you for the long term. Give us a call at fosteringwellness.net.